you will be able to follow what I will explain you, and hopefully the French accent will not be for you something that will misunderstand me. So hoping that the Easter was also for you great, and during Easter yesterday we were able to make some passive incomes thanks to the solution and the revolution of EaworldFX, which is a new worldwide company giving us the possibility to be able to start making some passive incomes thanks to internet, thanks to to your smartphone, following the huge way and business model of companies like Airbnb. Airbnb, which is the biggest company in the world, proposing bedrooms, but they don't have any hotels themselves. Uber is the biggest transporter company in the world, and they don't have any taxi themselves. And it's following this business model that EaworldFX is developing, especially on the Forex market, which is the biggest market on earth, representing something like around 5,300 billions of dollars every day. Forex market, it's about the exchange between different currency, and there is a lot of money to earn also in this market. Thanks to this company, we as user, because I'm also only a user, being able to use the tool that the company is giving us, and we are like being in touch as a client with the company which is giving us this fantastic tool. And thanks to that, we can earn passive incomes sitting on our sofa watching TV. Let our money working for us. This is also this kind of philosophy from this huge company. So the mission of this company is to propose us different services, different products, digital products we can use to make our money grow with the less risk we can have actually. And for that, we are working with one of the broker. Broker is like a bank, okay, that you can put your money on, and you will be able to trade this money thanks to the products that this company EaworldFX is giving us. The only thing is that equity broker is governed by several of the world's financial authorities, so we can really be confident, and they have around the world different kind of offices that people can go, and if they need, they have the support and so on in the complete world. So that's very important, especially that this broker is also an insurance for different other brokers. So this is very important, very good. They are very serious. They have all the time the chat online, and they work really, really professional. We have small videos about that broker. I will just open it. So hopefully you understand English, because we have a very nice video just to show you how serious they are. Okay, hopefully you understand English quite well. Otherwise you would not have any on this call, and I will come back just after the video. So have a look, hear well, and I will be back in a few minutes.
The equity story is an incredible one, and it's our employees and clients who have written it. Over a decade has passed since we first began. We've learned, evolved, and adapted, but we stayed true to the values that have made us successful.
We believe in equity's brand values, innovation, because we are dedicated to exploring new, cutting-edge technologies, Collaboration, because we believe that only together can we truly achieve greatness. We encourage integrity, not only with our clients, but with each other. And equality, because we believe that everyone deserves an equal voice. From our employees to shareholders, as well as our clients, we are one family, and every voice matters.
I'm currently in our Jordan headquarters. We've just celebrated the opening of our new Amman office, having received the first brokerage license in Jordan last year. It's another chapter in our incredible story.
Equity Group is over a decade old, but our vision remains the same: to simplify access to equities, FX and precious metals through CFDs for individual, corporate and institutional traders. Our London team is passionate about making trading easy, safe and enjoyable.
We are educating clients on the financial markets and, of course, using our trading platform via our mobile app. Africa is the world's fastest growing mobile region, with Sub-Saharan Africa comprising 444 million mobile subscribers. That number is growing fast, and so it's essential to provide a modern trading app.
So a message for our employees and clients around the world. Every day, you shape us and help us to grow. Thank you for making us a global name in multi-asset trading. And now, let's write the next chapter of our story together.
All right, so you could see that we're working with a very strong broker, a very known one, and okay, a company that we can really have confidence with. And I can tell you, because I use it also, I'm very, very satisfied about the service we can have with this broker. Now, let's go back to EaworldFX and the products AI software we are using, which are very important because not as many companies are depending only from one. We have several of them. And this is very important for you, for me, because thanks to that, we can limit the eventual risk we can have with the Forex market. All of them have very different strategy, especially the scalping, which is about opening and closing the trades quite effectively and quickly, and to make, of course, benefit, because we know that with trading, the most important is to protect our capital, and then about earning is something more. So you may know that we have 3 years back test with these bots and 1 year in real time, in real money, which is very important because that means that we have historic. And the main goal is to be able to assure to people to make profit like between 5 and 10% every month. The very important point also is to be 100% transparent by using a track record from our back office and from the website. Everybody worldwide will be able to follow the percentage and the profits from each of them on a public website. And this is very important because being a user, not being a user, being in the company, not being, everyone will be able to follow the results from each of them. So why it is important to choose EaworldFX today? First of all, because it is something which is exclusively simple, easy to use, easy to make profits. What I mean is that even if you don't know anything about trading, that's why you need to use these ones, because you don't need to know anything. It's 100% profitable automated trading software. It's really safe. it's monitored by the companies themselves. I told you that we have different bots made by different companies. Okay, we have ones in Switzerland, one in France, one in Sweden, one in London. We're gonna have 6 of them. Most of them have minimum 3 years back test and 1 year in real. What is very good and even huge is that everybody can start with a minimum capital of $100, which is almost unreal. In trading, normally we start from $10,000. Here it's 100, and everything is transparent. Okay, the company is registered in USA. All of those documents you will find in your own back office. So to start, it's easy. We need to be registered with the link of the person that invited us today. We're gonna buy the license. Minimum is $250 lifetime. There is no abonnement. We only pay that with our own money. Then we're gonna open our personal broker account on equity. We're gonna verify our KYC, and we're gonna make a minimum deposit of $100, and then we choose the bot we're gonna use. The best is to use the 2 bots we can use right now, so we can divide the amount by 2 bots. And then we must know that the company and the producer company of these bots are interesting about our earnings, because the more we're gonna earn, the more they gonna earn themselves, because automatically we have a performance fee of 30%. That means that automatically at the end of the month, the company will take 30% from our profits. We do not do anything. It's automatic, okay? And because of that, there is no abonnement. Partner program is very easy, because we're gonna make profits. We will be interesting about sharing this information to all the people. It will be so easy to show to everyone the profit we are making every day, doing nothing, just looking at the numbers, changing and going ahead. The EA license is $250. When you will recommend it to anyone, you're gonna get 20% from commissions. Okay, then because we're gonna register more than 1 person, we're gonna build 2 teams, one on the right, one on the left, and then the company will give us more commissions, which will be 10% from the weakest team, and we can go like that up to $500 commissions. But for the people who will want to earn more, because they will want to recommend more, they like challenges, they like earning, they will be able to make an upgrade by paying the difference, or to buy directly, like I did, the 500 license. And then we're gonna get not 20% of our direct recommendations, but 30. From the weakest team, we will have 12% instead of 10. And the binary daily cap is $1,000 instead of 500, which is really, believe me, good money. Okay. Then important to know that we can develop also a residual income. As soon as we're gonna reach 5 times the value of our license in commissions, for example, I will buy the license of 500 and I will earn, thanks to development of my team, $2,500, then my license will expire. And to be able to continue to earn money on my network, I must buy a new license. If I don't do, I will not be able to buy other commissions. My bots are still working lifetime, but if I want to continue to earn on my network, I must buy another license. Okay, I can choose between the 250 and the 500, but each time I'm gonna reach 5 times the value of my license, I must buy a new one. But if you do that together with other people, then they will have also to buy a new one. And doing this, each time we are receiving the direct commission, and then depending if they are in your weakest team, you can also be paid again on that. So I know that in the near future, we will have some members who will be able to do that every month, every week, and why not every 1, 2, or 3 days, which will give us, of course, passive incomes, which is very important for each of us. Now, must know that we can make deposits to buy our licenses only in Bitcoins, okay, $250 or $500. This is the only payment in Bitcoin we have to do. All the rest on the equity broker, it's possible only in by card, Visa card, okay, credit card, or even by wire transfer. We can withdraw as soon as we want. We have only 5% fee. The minimum is $5. The maximum is $1,000. Okay, and then you have the rest of the information you can see here in front of your eyes. Now, I will want to show you something more, and for that, I will also share my screen, showing you something else about what I just explained to you. Okay, so because what I have showed you, it's theory. Now I want to show you what about practice. And let's jump on the website. So you will see how the website is very well done. Okay, so let's do like that. Up, it is here. Look, so this is the website, okay, the main website, which is very nice done. You have a lot of information, okay, the markets, everything. Up, you can see that on the website you also have the direct links from my FX book. When you click on it, then you will be directly directed on the my FX book link to follow the progression of the 2 bots. We have 2 bots, we have 2 links. Okay, you can see this is the Elitrobe from the French company, and we see that till now we have 0.33% done today. Okay, this is the progression from the 6th March till the 14th April, which is today. We have 57% progression. Okay, in March it did 42%. Till now we have more than 10% done. Okay, we can go to the crush tip by clicking here. We can do that also like that. And crush tip is the one which is doing trading every day by hundreds of them, between 200 and 300 trades every day. This is about doing daily tradings, a few minutes, and then it will close them. Here we have 71% of the trades which are in earning. That means that you win something like 7 on 10, which is a lot. Okay, and we have from the 6th March, it's the same, it started here, 34%. Okay, which is also very good. Also good information is about the drawdown. We can see that the drawdown is very, very low. We had the 17th of March quite big. It was about, do you remember? Big crash. Okay, the bourse. I will look at the bourse. Okay, Nasdaq and so on. It was a big crash, and anyway, here it went only up to 12%, and all the other days are really, really almost nothing. Drawdown is about the risk or the money that the company is, the bot is using to open and to close the trades. So very, very secure one. Okay. So this is what we have about the website. You're going to see yourself with the person that invited you. I will show you, for example, how it is about equity. This is the website of equity. We all open our personal accounts. We make it verified. It is my personal account, so nobody can have access to this. Okay, the company has no access to this. It's very important. So I have 100% control of this, and thanks to that, look, I have access to my balances. Okay, this is my accounts, and I divided the amounts I have deposited for both bots. I have one for Crushtip, one for Elitrob. I deposited $6,000, and I have, you see, the benefit is that now I have much more. Of course, much more. If I click on that, I will see that during the complete period that I have deposited the money, I have done more than 6%, which is during 1 month this. Okay. And every day we are receiving the report officially from equity broker. Here we have Elitrob. Look, this is the complete percentage till now for this month of April. Okay, so it's very, very good. And what I can do is that if the day I need to get back my money, I can do that whenever I want. It is my own account, personal. So we are completely free to do that when you like. Okay. So my dear, that's it. All I wanted to show you. You have a lot of information about that. Yeah, we can also show you something. Okay, I will show you how the trades are going through the MT4 platform, because some of the leaders have access to this, and it is something I can also share you. Okay, so I am up. I will show you this.
Laurent, one question to QR. Tu vois, tu as une question là.
Ouais,
sur le QR.
j'ai vu. C'est
Okay,
we
that's
have
all.
to see once we. Okay, Michael, about the individual account in MT4 platform, it is not possible to have our individual account on MT4. What we have right now is access for a few leaders to the MT4 platform, but it is about the main account of the company. Okay, which is very important, because we can follow, like I can show you right now, all the trades that are from the company. Okay, here we are on the Elitrob account. So these are all our money is trade together, and we can see, okay, that it is trading now. We can see that till now we have more than $500 profit, and that members made deposited more than $11,000 just today. For Crushtip, we go here, and we have the same. We have also the deposit, you can see, and you see it's not that much trades at the same time, which is very good and very secure. And the history, you can see $432 profit and more than $9,000 deposit just for now, for today. Okay, so this is something that your leaders have a view on. Okay, they can consultate that. Okay, so this is what we can tell, this is what we can share, this is what we can show about this company. To resume, Okay, it's important to resume also this. We can tell you that everyone can take profit of the passive incomes that you're going to get from this company, EaworldFX. Very important for you to know that we start from a license at $250. We pay once in Bitcoin, and then we have access to the equity platform when we can deposit from $100 minimum. And from that, we have, of course, every tutorials, videos. We have PDF explanations. We have everything done in the simplest way. Now I finished my conference. If I can permit myself as a user from this platform, I can just tell you that I started something like at the beginning, at 1 month ago. By developing the network, of course, I have earned much more than the license I have bought myself. I even earned 5 times more than the price I had to pay for the license. So for me, it's only positive. And what is good is that we can also use our commissions to put into the bot. Okay, we start only from $100, and I'm very glad to see every day the profit we can do on our personal account, especially when you receive the daily report. You can see the profit that have been done on your personal account. Here we can see the result from the March month. Okay, Crush Tip did like 25%, more than 25%, and Elytron more than 41%. Don't forget, it was in March with the 2 crashes. Starts from the COVID-19 crisis, and we go to the biggest financial crisis that we never saw before. So we have a right tool. We have a fantastic possibilities, capacities, being the first people on earth to be able to have the pleasure to try it, to use it, and to make profit with it, day and night, from Monday, from Monday till Friday. So guys, you are welcome to this company. You are welcome to this adventure. I wish you to take the right decision and to come back to the person that invited you. Thank you for listening. Laurent speaking, one of the members like you are, for a few of them. Okay, showing you this information and wishing you every single day a lot of profits. Thank you very much for listening, and bye for now.